Welcome to how to replace a blend door actuator on a 2012 Dodge Journey. Is your interior passenger side making weird clicks like this? Well, fear no more. I have the solution for you. In all seriousness, welcome to the video. Blend door actuator, let's get it fixed so we can get rid of this annoying sound. First step, get in your glove box, take your stuff out. Then on each side, there's these little tabs. You just push these inward. This comes down, and then you pull this way on it. There's the glove box. Now the blend door we're working with on this side, there's also one on this side. We're working on the one on this side. Kind of a pain in the butt to get to. First thing we need to do is unplug it. The plug's right here. There's a little button right there. Push that, and then pull out. Just like that. There's a couple Phillips head screws to get to. There's one up here and one down here. I've got my shortest screwdriver here, but I think I have a better idea. So with this contraption, we shave off a little bit. That should give us enough room to get up in there. I can actually feel that there's something broken or loose inside here. And it looks like my suspicions were correct. Inside here, we have this gear right here. It's missing a cog. There's the motor which turns these gears. This gear comes off, and this gear comes off, this gear comes off, and this gear is broken. You can see the piece. There it is. There's the piece that broke off. So $28 plus tax, replace this guy, and we're back in business. I'd say the biggest pain in the ass on this one is the screws. There's just not much room to get in there. If you had a really small screwdriver, even smaller than this one, something with a handle like this, but maybe this long, it'd probably work out a lot better. Now we need to put it back together. So we need to put our filter back in, which I'll be replacing here soon. This is your cabin air filter. Put back in. Take your glove box, line up the bottom with the rails, push it in, lift it up, and then put your stuff back in. Well, that's gonna be it for today's video. If you guys liked it, hit the like button down below. Don't forget to subscribe and check the links in the description down below for my Patreon page. It's always great to donate to creators that you like. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.